Hello everyone, you are on RTSR channel. In this video we are going to speak about YouTube. I'm going to tell you how to make video unlisted on YouTube. It's easy and simple. Like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go open YouTube. Then tap on You. Next tap on View Channel. Select a video you need, tap here, select Edit, find Visibility, tap here, select Unlisted. Good. Next tap on Save. Okay, you did it. It was easy and simple. Thanks for watching. If I made a mistake somewhere, please write in the comments. Like and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my playlist on this topic. There you will find answers to many questions. Wish you best. Bye bye.